What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Devan Nathwani, portfolio strategist in the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week we discuss our conviction in our short-term views and how we navigate uncertainty. We see megaforces driving an economic transformation that could keep shifting the long-term trend. That long-term uncertainty is being compounded by near-term policy uncertainty this year. We allocate a larger share of portfolio risk to our views on a 6 to 12-month horizon, allowing us to be nimble in adjusting our views. Our scenarios for positive and negative outcomes for the economy and markets also help us adjust our views. Our baseline scenario is that US corporate profits stay strong and broaden alongside beneficiaries of the artificial intelligence theme. Yet we stand ready to pivot, especially as we get more details on policy implementation. The AI theme and strong earnings give us more tactical conviction in US stocks, even with valuations historically high by most gauges. Yet it's harder to know what a reasonable valuation is during a time of transformation. Take further concentration in the tech sector as investors aim to tap into the AI theme. Strong earnings growth could also back valuations, as we've seen recently with Nvidia. Over the medium term, we think some of the most attractive opportunities are in private markets as they intertwine with megaforces. Yet private markets aren't immune from heightened uncertainty. They are also complex, with high risk and volatility, and not suitable for all investors. Infrastructure equity, such as stakes in data centers, sits at the intersection of several megaforces, including today's AI-driven investment boom. We believe the ideal portfolio still includes US equities as the largest holding, but this would be lower than a public market benchmark as we make room for private markets. Here's our market take. The AI theme and strong earnings keep us overweight US stocks tactically. Over the long term, we see attractive opportunities in private markets from the megaforces driving the transformation ahead. Today's portfolio still holds plenty of US equities, but also makes room for private markets. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.